Hi. Hi everybody, my name is Areeq and this is Areeq. Today we're going to open this mystery blanket. Let's check. Okay. I got an apple lobster. Let's open it. First, we need to do. Oh. Gotta do this. I should this. And how do I look like this guy? Okay, butterfly. Let's clap. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whoa. Okay, we open this and put the arms and get the arms. Open it. That is the apple lobster. It's trying to. And he can slide with his feet. And look at his point. Put it like this. Okay, now you can transport it back. Whoa, the arm. The leg. That's a leg. And you can combine it like why is it transforming? Why is it not transforming? Dad? Hey homie, it's not transforming.
Are you done? Are you done?
Dad?
I don't know. Are
Why
you done? Are you done or not?
Why is it not transforming?
I don't know. Yours was supposed to show us. How is it? Transforming to what?
Yeah. Transform to a robot, but it's not working.
Why do you want to turn to a robot again? It's the apple lobster right now.
It's yours.
Want to change it back again?
First, I need to take off the body. That was apple lobster. It can slide with his feet. Mommy. Now let's transform it back. First, we need to wait. Put this leaf and put this down. Wow. And put the apple lobster. Do it like.
Are you done?
Okay, I'm done. Now, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you gotta do is search for my name. Do you spell my name with me? It says A-P-E-Q. Areeq. See you next time.
Is it Blippi or Areeq?
Areeq.
This one's spelling Blippi. Alright. What else?
Press the subscribe button.
And then?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This is